The apps are plug and play. This is childlike simple. So anyone who's running your website can go to our site, can download the app and get going. And the icons on there, if you're not familiar with all of them, are covering a lot of the usual suspects that are at play in the world of the web. So if you're running a website, you're probably running it on Wix, on WordPress, which is governed by that little icon called Woo, which is a WooCommerce link. So WordPress, Wix, Magento, any of the usual suspects. If you're running some kind of an e-commerce platform on Shopify, we can link to that. If you're selling via Amazon or eBay, or maybe you've got a system internally that's managing your CRM and the like Zoho, it can work. But beyond that, we've got integrations into things like Salesforce and a lot of the larger internal corporation operation systems. There's a lot of acronyms that get used to describe these, but they are effectively internal management systems overseeing the procurement of your business. And in the case of publishing, perhaps the way that you manage your publications. So as an app store, as an app offering, probably the one thing to take away from this particular slide is there are no need for developers, which is heaven to many companies who either don't have them or don't necessarily want to engage them because of cost. If you've got developers, even better. They'll love this. But yeah, with no developers, we've had to create a plug and play environment, which is exactly what this gives you. So don't be frightened of the fact that we've overviewed this technically, and it's a bit scary. It's a change from the norm. You're not web savvy. You've not got a lot of experience there. A, use us. B, if you are adventurous or inquisitive, or you have the skills, just go and play, register, play, download, and implement. So as a kind of a system, we've deliberately created an environment that allows you, the publisher, to have no boundaries, but more importantly, no barriers to prevent you using the architecture.